I'm Liz from Caravan Insurance. We're here at Panelworks in Yorkshire, and in this video we're going to go through what to expect when your caravan comes in for repair. Unfortunately, accidents do happen and caravan panels can be easily damaged both on or off the road. Caravan Guard deals with many claims each year for damage to caravan panels, whether that be small dents, holes or scratches. As part of your caravan insurance policy, we will pay for this kind of damage to be repaired, and we regularly work with approved repair specialist Panelworks to carry out this kind of work. Panelworks specialise in repairs to caravans and motorhomes and aim to get you back on the road as quickly as possible. So let's start by asking John Goulden, the chairman of Panelworks, what you should do if you do damage your caravan or motorhome.
First thing to do if you damage your caravan is make yourself safe in a safe position. Obviously, if you can drive on. If you feel that it's not towable, then you contact recovery agent. Also, contact your insurance company, contact your repairer, or such as like Panelworks, by either email or telephone. If you've got panel damage, the best thing for that is high-tack duct tape to keep the water out. Take photographs ideally from about 3 foot away so we can see the extent of the damage and we can quote accordingly. At Panelworks, we repair simple scuffs, dints, also splits, holes. We can do just about anything that's wrong. In the event of a blowout, we can obviously deal with the scuffed alloy wheel as well as the wheel box damage. And generally on caravans, behind the wheel boxes is your wiring and your plumbing. We can deal with all that, no problem whatsoever, and also floor damage. Unlike other repairers who will take an entire panel off, in most cases the panel doesn't need to be removed, which means you're not upsetting seals that don't need to be upset. We deal with solely what the problem is on that panel. We can rectify it with the panel in situ on the caravan, which will actually shrink the time your caravan's going to be off the road and get you back on the road a lot quicker. Obviously the biggest delay in caravan repairs is actually the length of time it takes to get parts. So we try and minimise that by repairing just what is damaged. In older caravans as well, parts are not available anymore. And our aim obviously is to get you back on the road as soon as possible so you can go out and enjoy more holidays. To understand the repair process at Panelworks, let's look at this Swift that's coming now. This has been detached from the car. It's quite a common issue. It's damaged the front panel and we need to strip parts off it. There's not a great deal to remove, but in this case we do need to remove the gas locker door hinge and the grab handle. And then we pull out the fiberglass to release the pressure that's been put under, and then it will start to go through to be refiberglassed. Obviously in this case, we actually repair the panel from behind and from the front. So it goes through 2 processes. We put some density on the back of it to give it strength, and then we refinish from the front to make it smooth again. So once the outside has been prepared, we will then primer it. It'll then be rubbed back, and then it'll be sent through to our state-of-the-art paint booth for its refinishing. To get the perfect finish, we spectrometer the panel. That way you can't see new and old paint, it'll just look like it's supposed to be there. Once the paint process has been finished, it comes out for final polishing and then it goes through for valeting. Average repairs take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. We try and cater for everybody's deadlines really. If you're going on holiday, and we can meet that deadline, we'll pull all the stops out to try and make sure you do meet that deadline. Caravans here on site, there's numerous caravans on site, so your caravan will be worked on in systems as well as everybody else's. We're always busy, we've always got something being painted and something being collected and something being stripped, so it's a never-ending process really. One of the benefits of using Panelworks for a repair is whatever panel we repair comes with a 24-month no quibble warranty. Now if your caravan's under manufacturer's warranty, it'll be unaffected because we're approved by all the UK manufacturers. And also if your caravan has to have a new panel, which you'll only get a 1-year guarantee, so having a repair on actually what is damaged is more beneficial to yourself.
So there you go, and a huge thank you to the team here at Panelworks. And I think you'll agree what an impressive job they've done of getting this caravan quickly repaired and back on the road again. And remember, in the unfortunate event that you do have an accident in your caravan or motorhome, or you do suffer any damage, remember first of all to make sure that you're safe and then take steps to prevent any further damage. You can then call our claims line to register your claim, and then remember to take some photos so that they can be then sent to the repairer. As John said, you don't always have to fully replace a panel, but quite often scrapes, holes and small cracks can be easily and quickly repaired by a specialist such as Panelworks. For more hints and tips and useful video guides, why not head on over to the Caravan Guard website. Thanks for watching.